Okay, so I'm here at Winners in Canada, and I just want to give a quick rundown of some of the things I've discovered here in the fragrance section. This gift set, Love from Klein. Love Anne from Klein. It's got a fragrance, a lotion, a shower gel. $29.99. Kate Spade Sparkle with a little mini and a spray. $59.99. I mean, you know. English Laundry Original. I think I have this. 20 bucks. Versace Eros. So this is for men. $59.99 for a spray and a shower gel. These are cool from Mix Bar Scent Discovery Set. 10 bucks each. I've never seen them actually do this before. The Good Scent Mom. How cute. Mom, the most loving person in the world. How much is it? $12.99. That's pretty cute. I'm curious to know what this smells like, but I can't get in. Good old green tea set with a big spray and a body cream. I've had these. I love these. 30 bucks for both. Pretty nice. A lot of people love this. It's a good choice for Mother's Day. Body lotion, body wash, a little mini. Is that a spray? I can't tell. And a full size. $49.99. That's not bad. But I can't tell if that's a spray. It's probably a roll-on. What does it say? No, it's a travel spray. Eee. Britney Spears Fantasy, $19.99 for 1 ounce. Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. I mean, I know you know it. I love it. It was one of my signature scents for years. $69.99 for the smaller spray. And what is that? Body cream. Nice. I think that's most of the sets. And they have some other little things up here, like what's this? She Said Yes, Eau de Parfum. Element Edition 8. $16.99. I could open it and spray it, but that would be bad, wouldn't it? I'll feel bad doing that. I don't know, should I do it? I'm not gonna do it. Okay, and let's see what else. I love unusual stuff. Omorovicza, Queen of Hungary Evening Mist. Wow, that's interesting. Oh, $19.99. I've never heard of that. I love interesting, unusual stuff. Viva La Juicy. 3.4 ounce, big size. Big size. $59.99. Coach Eau de Parfum Original, $49.99. And a bunch of nice sprays up here and stuff, like this Guess spray for Guess USA Sexy Skin Wildflower, $12.99. Minnie Mouse body spray. Someone said they loved Minnie Mouse fragrance. $7.99. So, hope you had fun with that. I did.